We have crypto in a very dangerous position right now. It was looking amazing here just a couple days ago, and lo and behold, we've seen a huge pullback. And this is also lining up because we are here at the end of the month. And guys, a lot of people were looking at this, suggesting that we were doing pretty good here, about to close above the 200 moving average. I'll be showing an article in just a moment, a little bit more information on that. And lo and behold, here we are right now, just a couple hours away. If we don't pull up above that level, then might be rocky waters going for the next month. A lot of people are suggesting that they believe we are at the bottom and that now is an opportunity for Bitcoin to start rallying up. We also heard that there appears to be some delays going on with the Bitcoin ETFs, which, if those get approved, would be extremely bullish for the crypto market. And so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Looking at the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin right now is down 5.17%. On the day, it's below $26,000. Ethereum at about $1,640. It's down 3.81%. BNB is down 3.34%. We got Solana taking a bit more of a hit here. I'm trying to do this on my laptop. It's down 5.71%. We got Polkadot that's also down 6.52%. We got Filecoin that's also seeing it's taking a hit, down 6.8%. Guys, the market is bleeding red on the day. So a very, very, very rough day in the market. At least it's not down 10+% for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but still, this doesn't really help us much, right? So we go hop over here to the Bitcoin TA. And what we can see going on is that this is on the weekly basis. So zooming in a tad bit here, a little bit harder for me to work with. I ordered a part that I'm waiting for to come in the mail, hopefully tomorrow, to where I can have a little bit more ports for this laptop. So right now I'm having to use a touchpad. We can see that there have been 2 weeks of closures in the red. This week, nice little wick up there on the top, but the drawback of that is that we are currently still a red candle. Flip side of this is that we're seeing on a weekly basis about 3 weeks of being red on these things, and then there's a green, there's a red, there's 3 green, there's a red, green, then there's 3. So we're not really seeing weekly more than 3 weeks in a row of reds, unless we go all the way back here, back to around the May time period of last year of 2022. So that's the weekly basis. All right, now let's go ahead and move this over. We're going to put this on a 1-day time frame. And on the 1-day time frame, we see the 50 and 200 moving averages. This is a big key indicator. Crossover events suggest either a death cross, which is bearish, or a golden cross, which is very, very bullish. Okay, well, the green line, that's our 50 moving average, a short time frame. It's on its way down still. And we can see that there was a bit of a rejection that took place here on the 200. So on this article right here from Cointelegraph, they were suggesting hours ago, before the price had taken a bit of a drop on the day, that things were holding pretty well, that we were above the line, they were staying optimistic. So for example here, they say this is exactly what I want to see after an impulse spike up, shallow retrace, hold at key HTF level, send it higher. Okay, he summarized that as of yesterday. That's exactly what he wanted to see, not this. He wanted to see it holding steady after that big rise, a little bit of a pullback, and then kind of moving sideways. Yeah, so after that was said, lo and behold, hours later, boom, ends up tanking super hard. We can see this further if we go into a 1-hour time frame, especially around the 1600 mark. That one, we saw a big drop from about 27,000 all the way down to 26,200. Hopefully this can make a recovery back up before the end of the day. But guys, right now it's not looking great. 25,879. And potentially we might be seeing this near the bottom for the day. It is 4 hours of red candles, but we'll keep an eye on it. So let's go and move this back over to the 1-day time frame and move on to the next little bit of news. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily basis still fitting with inside of this nice little pattern here, but the drawback is that we do have the green 50 moving average very, very, very close to crossing over with the 200 moving average. So there is a chance that we're going to see this flash crashing down, possibly, as panic starts to set in, suggesting that we're now in a whole other bear market. Typically, when these things cross over, we don't see an immediate effect. There is a little bit of a delayed reaction, but it would suggest that you have a lengthy period of time that's likely to be a bear market. We've been not in such a great position already, even after this crossover event, which looks inevitable at this point in time. Hopefully, the bear market for that period would be short-lived. Okay, now moving over to BNB. BNB still moving sideways, slightly down from this long channel that it's been holding here, dating all the way back from basically around June 11th or so. And then we saw that drop start to take place around August 15th. Now in another sideways channel, still trying to hold that support line above $200. But yeah, it took a bit of a hit as well. And then moving on to SafeMoon, it is down 4.17% in the last 24 hours, $29,000 in buy volume, $37,000 in sell volume. And SafeMoon on the Polygon side is down 2.81%. You have $9,000 in buy volume, $1,000 in sell volume. Two red candles there. SafeMoon with Ethereum, that is down 0.08%. There's 4 buys, 0 sells, and $309 total on the buy side. And then Blockbuster Tech is showing a little bit of green for the candle on the day. It's up 0.24%, $17,000 in buy volume versus $15,000 in sell volume. And there we go, guys. There are the latest price moves in crypto for the day. Just keeping you guys updated so you know what's going on. And let me know how you feel about the market right now. Do you think that enough is enough and the market's going to start to be more bullish, even with the golden cross and death cross indicators going on? Or do you think that this rise that we just saw with Bitcoin just a couple days ago, if that was just a fake out? So I would love to get your opinions on this. Share your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.